DigitalHQ, a single platform for comprehensive workplace management. DigitalHQ Bookings module allows office resource reservations. Employees can instantly reserve office spaces, desks, and parking spots with dynamic allocation based on availability and preferences, offering flexibility for adjustments. A specially designed algorithm assigns resources, considering employees' preferences. For example, a desk near your team members. Directors and executives can have dedicated workstations, and employees can exclude specific desks from automated allocation. The meeting module enhances the meeting organization process. The system adapts meeting room sizes based on the number of participants, considering in-office and remote workers. Customize your meeting reservations with extra services like IT support or catering. To ensure a seamless experience, the system schedules ample time for these services. Distribute the survey among meeting participants. Propose a few time slots and let the system determine the most convenient time based on participant votes. Manage your work schedule with DigitalHQ. Employees plan their work schedules, aligning them with the company's hybrid work policy. Employees view colleagues' work modes to foster collaboration and encourage office visits. For example, they can plan to work on site when their favorite team members are present. Planning ahead allows employees to choose from a broader selection of available desks and parking spaces. It also enables proactive and improved cooperation. What about corporate well-being? Discover a range of in-house events to connect with colleagues and enrich your workplace experience. Boost motivation to work from the office by registering for exciting activities. Explore workshops, classes, and events that align with your interests and passions, fostering both personal and professional growth. This enriches your workplace experience, making it more enjoyable and fulfilling. Engage in shared activities with your team, fostering strong bonds among coworkers and enhancing overall work efficiency and communication. Draw meaningful conclusions thanks to the analytics. Get detailed statistics on space, desk, and parking usage. Tailor your space allocation based on utilization data. Access real-time and historical data on space and parking availability across multiple locations. Seamlessly integrate with external systems via our API and connect to Microsoft 365 for enhanced operations. Elevate your workplace experience with DigitalHQ, enabling efficient reservation and scheduling while fostering team collaboration, enhancing employee connections, and providing data-driven workspace optimization.